Guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you what pool I have added an additional $3,500 to today, and I'm going to explain my reasoning why. But before we get into it, if you could please hit the like button, subscribe down below if you are new, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go follow me over on Twitter, links in the description. Discord servers are down below, as well as the email newsletter and all that good stuff. Also, drop a comment, let me know what kind of pools you're in and what your favorite pool is right now. And with that said, I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi, because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. So let's jump into what I have added money into, right? So we'll take a look at DeFi Llama. It is on the Sui chain, and I'm going to show you what pool I have added on the Sui chain. But you can see if we take a look at volume on Sui, Sui has been decently sort of upcoming over the past sort of since this last bull market, really. And we can see the volume, if we scroll into this year, you can see the volume has steadily been going up. Right now, we're currently sat like 90 million a day in volume. So the DEX that I have added this to is Turbo's Finance, and you can see that you can get some good rewards right now on stablecoins. You can get 60% a year, you can get 30%, 220%, 287%, etc. on some of these positions. But before we get any further, guys, if you are yield farming on EVM chain, so Sui is different. Sui isn't on MetaMask. You have to have your Sui wallet, which is different. You have to install a new Chrome extension. But if you are farming on Uniswap or anything similar, I would recommend coming over to Aperture Finance, because they are currently running a airdrop where if you use the DApp, you zap into positions, you use their swap feature, etc., you will earn points. And then when APTR does drop, I believe you got less than a month to farm this, but if you just use the DApp, then you will receive points, which will in turn get you money. And also, if you come over to Crystal, they are also doing an airdrop. If we connect up our wallet here, they're also doing an airdrop. So I'll leave a link to both of these down below in the description, because yeah, you can do lots of quizzes. If you swap using the Crystal app as well, if you zap in, you zap out your compound, you adjust the ranges, etc., you will earn Crystal points, which again will get you points for the airdrop when they do eventually airdrop. Anyway, back to Turbos. That's what this video is about. Now, if we go over to manage positions and rewards, you can see I have added it to Sui and USDC. I now have $7,600 in this position, earning me 202% per year. So if we do 202, divide that by 365, it's currently making about 0.55% per day. So if we do $7,600 times that by 0.55%, we're making about $40 a day here. Now, this APR does range pretty dramatically, anywhere from 150% all the way up to like 700% sometimes. So you're probably thinking, if you've watched some of my other videos, which I recommend doing because you can see some of the positions I have been in previously, you'll know that I was in this pool of about $4,500, and then I did also jump into this pool here, this USDC and USDT pool. I had $3,000 in this one, just kind of sat there. Now the reason for that is because I was waiting for Sui to drop in price for me to put that extra $3,000 in. So you can see Sui's been pretty high in terms of price over the past sort of few weeks. It ran all the way up to 212, or even higher, actually 214 a few days ago, and it's kind of been steady. It did drop this morning. It's down 6% today. So I did go ahead and add an extra $3,000 when Sui was just below 160, around here. So I did go ahead and add that a couple hours ago, and now we are actually up. We've actually made money on our Sui, because I believe this was around $7,400. So we've made $200 in liquidity already, plus this $285 in rewards. So not too bad there. But that is where I have added an extra $2,300 to. Now, I do want to go ahead and add an extra $10,000 into some positions. I'm thinking either 2 or 3 positions to add an extra 10K into, but I'm not too sure where to do it. I want something blue chip. I want something, blue chip and pretty smart. Like, for example, I have this position here. Now, this is one that I do not want to go in. This is a meme coin position I added in. I put $300 in here, and it's made $146 in like 3 days. So I do not want to jump into a position like this with $10,000, because that is extremely risky. But I may go ahead and add some more money into my Brett and ETH pool because I do believe in the Brett meme token for this meme coin run. So I may bump this up to $1,000 or so. And imagine if this was at $1,000, right? This is since Monday, so 5 days worth of rewards. If we times that by 3, that would give us about 13% this week. So I may put more money into this one. I'm not 100% sure yet. And there are some other tokens that I do want to go ahead and increase positions on. But yeah, I would probably not take a look at these meme coin positions unless you can afford to lose this money. These are kind of just like my playful positions, I guess, to see, how much we can do, kind of like degen positions. Arrow and ETH, potentially I may add some more liquidity to, again, in like 3 days, because I did put this into another Arrow pool. I was in 1% before, now I'm in 0.3% because the APR is better. But yeah, I don't really know what chain to do it on. I don't know what pools I'm going to jump into yet, but I will probably do it early next week. So I do want to do some research on, I don't have too much on Polygon. I don't have too much on AVAX either. So I may jump into one of these potentially. Yeah, I'm not too sure. But again, I want something pretty sustainable, pretty safe. I'm doing a few $1,000s. So yeah, I'm not too sure what to do just yet. Again, I want something pretty safe, so potentially one of these. I don't know. Anyway, we'll figure that out at some point over the next few days. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below. Are you in Sui? Are you not? Are you thinking about jumping into the Sui position? Let me know. Also, take a look at the links down below for the airdrops for both Aperture and Crystal. Highly recommend farming them. They're very easy to farm, and it makes sense. If you're already yield farming or you're thinking about getting into yield farming, again, it makes sense just because they're free airdrops to farm. But yeah, put more money into Sui, and then each week I'll go ahead and claim the rewards. I will claim the rewards on Monday for this position as well, and I will do an update on Monday to see how much we've made overall this week. But drop a comment down below where you think I should allocate an extra 10 grand to over the next few days in these positions and building up these cash flowing assets, right? So let me know down below. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you are new. And yeah, let me know down below what you think of yield farming. I think yield farming right now is pretty interesting with the current market. It'll be interesting to see how yield farming does work in a bear market, because obviously V3 yield farms only came out towards the end of the bear market. So we haven't really had a full true bear market with yield farming yet. So it'll be interesting to see how it does perform. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you are new. And yeah, let me know down below what pools you're in and what kind of APRs you're getting. Yep, I'll see you on the next video, and peace.